To demonstrate example 2.4, let's consider what happens when the volume envelope is altered in an unnatural manner, using a sample of a familiar acoustic instrument, but turning it into something that sounds quite different. So here we're in EXS24 in Logic Pro, and I've brought up a grand piano sample that sounds like this. Sounds like a grand piano. What if we took that same sample and we changed the characteristic from a very percussive sound that has a long decay but no sustain per se and very little release to something that's kind of the opposite? So let's take the attack time up substantially. Decay is the amount of time it takes to get to the sustain level. So I'm going to bring up the sustain level, which again would be not characteristic of a piano. And I'm going to then take the release time and increase it as well. So let's see what this sounds like. It's a little quieter, so I'm going to bring up my channel fader. So there's aspects of that sound that still sound like a piano. There's still that timbral quality of the piano sample, but the attack characteristic being so vastly different gives it a character of something that's totally different. So you could start with this as an idea and then start manipulating things like the cutoff frequency and resonance, maybe add a little bit of drive, and you start to come up with a completely different sound, but one that has this inherent organic quality to it. Sounds very different from a grand piano right now, but that's the origin of that sound.